Black is the ultimate go-to color in fashion, but have you ever wondered if there are other colors that can give you the same chic and elegant look? Today we're diving into the world of color to find out which shades can effectively replace black in your wardrobe. My name is Aisha, and I'll be your guide on this stylish journey. Black is popular because it's versatile, slimming, and timeless. However, relying solely on black can sometimes make your outfits feel monotonous. What if you could achieve the same level of sophistication and versatility with different colors? Imagine the excitement of refreshing your wardrobe with new hues that still offer the elegance of black. Which colors do you think have the potential to replace black in your closet? Let us know in the comments below. Color number 1. Navy blue. Navy blue is the first color on our list that can effortlessly replace black in your wardrobe. This deep, rich shade of blue offers the same level of sophistication and versatility as black, making it a perfect alternative for both casual and formal outfits. Navy blue works well for all seasons and can be paired with almost any color. It's less harsh than black and adds a touch of warmth to your look. Whether you're dressing for a business meeting or a casual day out, navy blue can provide a polished and elegant appearance. Imagine wearing a navy blue blazer instead of a black one. It gives you a refined look with a subtle hint of color. One of the great things about navy blue is its ability to transition from day to night effortlessly. You can wear a navy blue dress to the office and easily dress it up with accessories for an evening event. Do you have a favorite navy blue piece in your wardrobe? So the next time you're reaching for something black, consider navy blue instead. It's a classic color that won't disappoint, offering you a fresh yet timeless look. Color number 2. Deep burgundy. Deep burgundy is the second color on our list that can replace black in your wardrobe. This rich, dark red shade brings a touch of luxury and sophistication to any outfit, making it a fantastic alternative to black. Burgundy is perfect for adding a pop of color while still maintaining a classy and elegant look. It works well for both casual and formal settings, providing versatility similar to black but with a bit more character. Imagine trading your little black dress for a little burgundy dress. It gives you a bold, confident look while still being incredibly chic. Deep burgundy pairs wonderfully with neutrals like beige, gray, and white, as well as other rich tones like navy and emerald green. This makes it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Consider a burgundy blazer for your office attire or a burgundy sweater for a cozy yet stylish casual look. Do you already have burgundy pieces in your closet? How do you style them? Share your tips in the comments. Choosing deep burgundy can breathe new life into your wardrobe, adding a touch of warmth and elegance. It's a color that stands out while still offering the timeless appeal of black. Next time you reach for black, try deep burgundy instead and see how it transforms your look. Color number 3. Forest green. This deep, earthy green hue brings a sense of richness and sophistication to any outfit, making it a versatile alternative to black. Forest green adds a refreshing twist to your wardrobe while still maintaining a classic and elegant look. It's perfect for adding a pop of color without being too overpowering. Imagine swapping out your black blouse for a forest green one. It instantly elevates your outfit and adds a touch of nature-inspired charm. This color complements a wide range of skin tones and pairs well with neutrals like black, white, and beige, as well as other bold colors like mustard yellow and burnt orange. Consider incorporating forest green into your wardrobe with pieces like blazers, sweaters, or even accessories like scarves or handbags. Have you ever experimented with forest green in your outfits? Choosing forest green can inject new life into your wardrobe, bringing a sense of freshness and vitality. It's a color that exudes sophistication while still offering a unique and unexpected twist. So next time you're reaching for black, why not give forest green a try? Color number 4. Chocolate brown. This rich, warm shade adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any outfit, making it an excellent alternative to black. Chocolate brown offers a timeless elegance similar to black, but with a softer and more inviting feel. It's perfect for creating sophisticated yet cozy looks, whether you're dressing for a casual day out or a formal event. Imagine swapping your black pants for a pair of chocolate brown ones. It adds depth and warmth to your outfit, while still maintaining a polished appearance. This color pairs beautifully with other neutrals like beige, cream, and tan, as well as with bold colors like mustard yellow or deep burgundy. It's incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your wardrobe with pieces like coats, sweaters, or accessories like belts and shoes. Have you ever tried incorporating chocolate brown into your outfits? Share your favorite ways to style it in the comments below. Choosing chocolate brown over black can add a touch of richness and sophistication to your look while still maintaining the versatility that black offers. It's a color that's both classic and contemporary, making it a stylish choice for any occasion. So next time you're tempted to reach for black, consider opting for chocolate brown instead and see how it elevates your outfit. Color number 5. Charcoal gray. This deep shade of gray offers the same neutral base as black but with a softer and more approachable vibe. It's an excellent choice for those who want to maintain a polished look without the starkness of black. Charcoal gray is incredibly versatile and works well in both professional and casual settings. It pairs beautifully with a wide range of colors, from bright and bold hues to softer pastels. Imagine swapping out your black trousers for a pair of charcoal gray ones that gives your outfit a fresh and modern twist while still keeping it sophisticated and sleek. This color is perfect for layering, especially during the cooler months. A charcoal gray coat or sweater can be a stylish alternative to your usual black pieces, adding depth and dimension to your ensemble. Have you ever tried incorporating charcoal gray into your wardrobe? What are your favorite ways to style it? Incorporating charcoal gray into your wardrobe can offer a refreshing change while maintaining the elegance and versatility that black provides. So next time you're thinking of going for black, consider opting for charcoal gray instead. Each color offers its own unique blend of sophistication, versatility, and elegance. Whether you're looking for a subtle alternative to black or want to experiment with bolder hues, there's a color for every style and occasion. So the next time you're tempted to reach for black, why not consider one of these beautiful alternatives instead? Whether you're dressing for work, a special event, or a casual day out, these colors are sure to make a statement and elevate your style. What are your thoughts on these 5 colors? Which one is your favorite, and how do you like to style it? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching.